Welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about different joins in DAX. So let's write one query in SQL Management Studio. Then we will try to achieve the same result in DAX. So first of all, I need to show you the data model. So here you can see we have a dim product category. It is connected one-to-many relationship with subcategory, and then it is one-to-many relationship with products, and product have one-to-many relationship with sales. So we need to get sale for different products category, subcategory, and products. So we need to connect all these tables with each other. So let's do it with SQL. So we have select, for example, static from dim product category. This is a cat inner join dim product subcategory. This is sub on cat dot product category key is equal to product category key. Then again we have inner join products, it is P on. Then we need to connect product with subcategory, so it is P dot subcategory key is equal to sub dot product subcategory key. Then we have another inner join sales S on S dot. So we need to connect sales with product, so we need product key. S dot product key is equal to P dot product key. So the joins are now completed, and now we need to choose some columns. So the first is get dot English category name. The other is sub dot English product subcategory name. Then we need P dot product name, and then we need P dot product color, P dot color. And the last is sale dot sales S dot sales amount. So that's all. So now we need to execute it, and here you can see this is the result, and we are getting 60,398 rows. So there are many rows in these tables are duplicated. So but for this exercise we just need to get the same result in DAX by joining 4 tables. So let's go into the DAX studio. So to join tables in DAX, we need a function that is called Naturalinnerjoin. So it's a natural inner join. So join the left table with the right table using inner join semantics. So we need to provide one table, that is dim product category, and the second table is dim product subcategory. So this is the syntax, and if I join dim product category with dim product subcategory, the condition is we should have a relationship in the data model. So as we have seen, we have relationship between product category to product subcategory. Without this relationship, we are not able to get the result. So it is mandatory to have this relationship. So let me execute this query. So we are getting all the columns from the dim product category and dim product subcategory, and now we need to join these two tables with the product table. So we need another natural inner join, and this is the output of this natural inner join is a table that contains two tables, the inner join of two tables, product category and product subcategory. So this is the first table, and then we need another table that is dim, that is product table, products. So we just need to close it, and if I execute, here you can see we are getting 397 rows. And now we need the last table. Again we need natural inner join, and this whole will return one table that contains dim product category, dim product subcategory and products. So comma, and the last table is sales. So if I execute this one, so we are getting all the columns. Here you can see all the columns, and 60,398 rows, but we need to choose some of the columns. For that we have a function that is called add column. First parameter for this function is a table, so this whole thing is returning us a table. And then the second is we need to specify the label. The first one is the category name, and this is dim category, English product category name. The second one is subcategory name, and it is dim subcategory. The column name is English product subcategory name. Then we have sales amount. That's all. So we need to close it. Here we have to run this. Instead of getting these 5 columns, we are again getting multiple columns. And if we go at the end, here you can see we have category name, subcategory, product, and all the 5 stuff. The problem is we have chosen wrong function, that is add column. Add column takes all the columns plus the newly added columns, but we need here a select column, this one. And now we need to execute, and here you can see now we are getting the right result with all the category name, subcategory, product, and product color. As we are getting again 60,398 rows, and in the SQL server we are also getting 60,398 rows, and because there are many rows that are duplicate, so we can use distinct function. And if I execute now, I will get 158 rows, and the same stuff we can apply there. Let's go to the DAX Studio, and here we have to write distinct, and we just need to, because distinct needs one table, and we need to close it, and then we need to click run, and here you can see we are getting 158 rows. So this is how we can combine a select column with natural join and distinct to get all the stuff that is required. So the objective of this lesson was how to join multiple tables using inner join. Then we have used like a select column, and then we have used distinct.